Hi guys, this is Caroline, YouTube leader. Well, if you watch this video, it means like we're arriving at the end of the camp. You're the reason why I keep coming back to HLS. Is each year I'm thinking, why should I join HLS? Because I guess I love being a team leader. And when I have kids, such as this year, 2026 HLS, and seeing how you guys start as being kind of shy and not talking to each other and ending up like all having fun, and that's what made my heart like really, I felt peace. I felt like I complete my role as a team leader. Thank you so much guys for being my kids. I love you so much. Bye.
Supernova, what a name. Caroline, this is for you. Thank you so much for being a great and enthusiastic leader. Honestly, you know, even if we're tired in the morning, you still try to give us energy, and so I'm very thankful for that.
Caroline, keep being who you are. You're an amazing person. Keep it up, bro.
Caroline, I love you. You are the best leader I've ever seen. Thank you so much. Supernova. Okay.
Thank you, Caroline, for everything. Thank you so much for this program. Thank you for accompanying me. Thank you for like being our leader. Thank you for being a really nice person, compassionate, and really kind. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Supernova!
Hi Caroline! You are the best leader ever. We love you. Sayang!
Hello, my sons of Bambinos. I didn't know coming into this just how precious each of you would become to me. I knew I wanted to do team leader, but I underestimated just how much this time would mean to me and how much you guys would endear yourselves to me through your sincerity and how you threw yourself into every task I dragged you guys along for, even with Kimmy racing ahead and Minori and Safi bringing up the rear. I'm glad we had a good time all together. Earlier today, you asked me how I could change so quickly from what you thought were tears of sadness to laughing with you guys after the worship, and I told you that they were tears of joy. That's true, but I will also dearly miss each of you as you go from now, and I look forward to seeing you at the very least in heaven, hopefully a lot sooner. God be with you all.
Hello, Mr. Grandfather. We are so nice to meet you on this camp, and then you are the best leader on the world.
Thank you for being the best leader in the world, and even though we made some mistakes, you still cherish us like you are our father. I really appreciate that. Thank you, and if we said anything wrong, we really apologize. But overall, thank you for being the best leader we could ever ask for.
So basically, Mr. Sir Grandfather, we just want to say thank you for being the best leader we could have possibly asked for. You very funny, very handsome, very charismatic, you know, amazing person overall. We wish you well on your study and your future. Hopefully you get a girlfriend soon.
Even though this is a short time, we still make a lot of fun and play the whole game together. Thank you.
Okay.
감사합니다. 안녕하세요. Hello, Mr. Sir Grandfather. Thank you, la. God bless you, la. 6, 7, la.
Hello, my stars! I can't believe it's already the end of our HLS camp. It has been such a privilege to be your camp leader, and I really believe that there is no coincidences with God. I'm so grateful, and you guys have taught me so much. Remember that as stars, our light shines brightest in the dark. So I believe and I pray for you always that you will be strong enough to always look and share your light with others. Be courageous, strong, and show your humility. Be loving to one another as you are and showed that you can be during this camp. I know that you guys will always look towards God. I will always be here praying for you. I love you, my stars. Bye!
Hi Luna, we're your stars. We just want to say thank you for being such an amazing team leader and for guiding us during the hoop.
We made so many memories that I will cherish forever, and I hope that we made the same impact.
Once again, thank you so much for all that you do for our team. I hope that we were also a great team to you for your first HLS experience as a team leader. Thank you, Luna.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Luna, for being the best leader that God chose for us.
What's there?
Hi, my grapes. It's your team leader, Mark here. I'm so happy that I got to meet you guys through HLS. I'll always be praying for you guys, and hopefully sometime in the future we'll be able to meet again. I'm gonna miss you all. I'm gonna miss Stefano dancing to Chinese dance. I'm gonna miss Jared eating so much in the cafeteria. I'm gonna miss EK and Liv, always calling me Kuya Mark. I'm gonna miss Lulu, always play fighting with the boys in our group. I'm gonna miss Xing Xing, always playing Pao Chin Tap. I'm also gonna miss Van, always switching and taking pictures with their cute cameras. I'm gonna miss Bass, always calling me Comark, Coco Mark. I miss you, my grapes.
Hello, Mark.
Hi, Mark. Whatever happens in our life and to this group, I hope that you know that all of your grapes will always miss you.
Thank you for being an awesome team leader. You're like so sexy and handsome.
You're a fantastic team leader. We love you so much. You've been a blessing to us.
If it wasn't for you, HLS wouldn't be fun.
I love you, Mark. You is my first Philippine fans.
We love you.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Mark. We love you.
Golden Voltage, hi, it's your team leader Tommo. Thank you so much for having me as your team leader. It was such a blessing moment for me. It was my first time trying team leader, but it was such a precious moment. I believe that God have provided each and every one of you. It was not a coincidence. Tell me if you are applying Handong or if you want to come to HLS again. See you. Ciao.
Hi, Tommo.
We love you, Tommo. Thank you for being our leader who's always looking after us. And you're the reason why I became closer with God and to love God more. This is Yula.
Thank you so much for being the best leader in the whole HLS camp. You helped us so much, and you're the only reason why we can go through the whole camp.
Thank you, Tommo. You're like a really great person. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Tommo, for also being a very good person. You care for me a lot. You're so nice. You're so kind.
Take us very good carefully, and then I remember that when today I feel very uncomfortable and I didn't eat my lunch, and then you bring the drinks for me. I'm so crying.
Tommo, I wrote you a letter and I brought you some snacks.
Thank you for helping me adjust to this program when I arrived late.
Thank you for being so present for us. I was really struggling with time and the presence of other people around me, and you showed me that it wasn't that hard and that showing up was really important.
Yes, thank you, Tommo.
Arigato.
Arigato.
Hi, my Red Hot Chili Peppers. This is your leader, Taku, right here. Allowing me to be as your leader, and thank you so much for coming to Handong as an HLS student. It was such a privilege and also an honor to be your leader. And I don't think this is just a goodbye forever. We'll see very, very soon. Male pepper, female peppers. The more you show your love to others, the more you receive your love as well. So please always remember what you learned through this camp and to be the salt and light for the other people as well. I'll see you soon.
Hi, Takumi.
Hello, Takumi. Thank you for being a great teacher and guiding our journey through our faith with Christ.
We just want to say thank you so much for being our best backpacker ever.
You've always been really considerate towards us and always mindful, and we're really grateful for that.
Thank you for you to always care for us, and also when we are sad, when we are happy, you always there for us.
Even though today will be our last day together, you'll always stay in our hearts.
And we will never forget the precious memories we have made here.
While being aesthetic. Okay. Anyway, don't forget.
Don't forget.
Don't be gassy.
Wait, no, okay. Don't forget to be
gassy.
Bye.
God bless.
Bye. Oh.
Being pandas. Hey guys, I
I'm your team leader, Dahye. I just wanted to say that I'm so grateful and happy to have met you here in HLS. Actually, before HLS, my life was not happy. Everything was bad in my life, but after meeting you guys, I just got so much joy and gratitude in my heart. I was able to meet God through meeting you. So I'm so grateful for that. Yeah, you guys are so beautiful and so cute. I love each one of your souls. Bent, Joshua, Joseph, Abby, Eileen, Nicole. Yeah, I love you guys so much. You guys are so special. Please remember that. God loves you so much.
Hi Dahye, it's us from Pink Panda, and I just wanted to let you know that I'm really grateful for you being our team leader.
Thank you for wait.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Thank you for
being so kind, caring,
being so loving.
I really hope I wish you good luck in your studies in the future.
I really hope that even after I leave Handong, we will still stay in touch.
I love you in there every day because you are so cute. Thank you to tell me I'm more in the Hong Kong is not the work. I will very miss you.
Saranghae Dahye, Pink Panda.
Happy Dahye.
Hello Fairy Chicks, this is your team leader Aisulu. I just wanted to take time and say thank you for being the best kids I've ever could ask for. This is my first time serving as a team leader and my heart is so full because I could receive twice as much love as I could be able to give you guys. Each one of you is so special for me. I truly feel blessed by you and I hope you enjoy your time in HLS. Keep your memories and safe in your heart. I will be praying for you even after this HLS. I will be cheering on you wherever life will take you. Thank you so much. Love you guys.
Thank you, Aisulu, for taking care of us.
Thank you so much for welcoming me while I came in late. Thank you so much for having like such a caring personality.
I appreciate you so much.
Thank you, Aisulu, for your caring personality. I was so welcome here. You were such a big sister to me.
Thank you for giving a bright smile every day.
From the first day, I was quite quiet because I was really tired, but as days came, you were always really nice and it was very obvious that you cared about us, so thank you for that and I hope that things go well for you.
Aisulu only 예뻐요. We can go 하하할래 next time.
사랑해요.
God bless you. God bless you.
Matcha Goblins, I love you so much and thank you for being exactly in my team because I think we had a lot of fun time together and especially I will not forget how we tried to learn the Korean game but we didn't learn it yet. Maybe in future you will learn it and do it better. I hope that you guys will have fun in this our last day too. Let's be always in touch. I hope that this camp will be remembered by you in a good, in positive way. Have fun, guys. Love you.
So we are your Matcha girlies from Matcha Goblins.
Hello, Mother Panda.
We just want to say thank you for being such a great leader. Thank you for always being patient with us and also for always looking out for us.
Thank you so much for being such a good team leader to us. We appreciate that so much.
We can tell that you're very passionate, which also inspires us, and we want to thank you for that because it helped all of us find so many purpose.
Good luck on your future career and on your future goals.
Okay, thank you for being like so kind to us, and also you are a very good leader. And then 谢谢成为一个很好的领导者，然后一直赞美我们，给我们更多自信。
Best team leader you've ever seen.
Therefore, you have a lot of patience for ourselves, and even you are not feel fine, but you will definitely become like I am.
감사합니다.
Hi baboons! It's me, Jasmine, your team leader. Thank you so much for coming to HLS. I'm so happy to meet you all. I'm really thankful for this opportunity to become your team leader. But most importantly, I'm thankful for all of you and what we did in HLS and all the activities we did. Let's keep in touch. I'll miss you guys really much. Bye!
1, 2, 3. Hi, Jasmine!
Thank you so much, Jasmine. All you've done and supported us throughout this whole week.
Thank you for always being there for us.
And thank you for being patient with us. Thank you for leading us to stay.
Thank you every time you just care about us.
Please have a safe flight to Thailand. Good luck on semester 2 in college. Bye.
Next academic journey. Good luck. See you next year. Maybe.
We love you, Jasmine!
Hey kids, it's me, your team leader, Hannah. My girls and my boys, I love you guys so much. I love you guys for your craziness, your randomness. You guys are so crazy, and your weirdness, but also your genuine and pure hearts. I will always cherish the moments that I have with you, all the laughs, all the tears, and all the funny little inside jokes I will always cherish within and keep them in my heart. You guys really have each and every one of you differently. I will always remember you guys and I'll miss you guys so much. Feel free to reach out to me because I will always support you no matter what, and I have your back. And most importantly, remember that God's got your back as well, and you guys can do it. You guys are the best. I love you guys. Let's go Cloud9!
셋불하나!
감사합니다. 이번 주일 정말 재밌었어요. 우리는 많이 웃었어요. We are so glad to have you as team leader.
I just have to say thank you so much. You have taken good care of all of us, and I know this was not easy. I will never forget this memory.
Hello, Hannah. Best leader ever. Thank you for all the energy and all the love and all the effort you put in and all the sleepless nights that you give to us. Love you so much.
Hi Hannah, thank you so much for being such an amazing leader and for making Handong memorable and making us feel loved.
사랑해, Hannah.
Thank you so much, big sister. We love you, Hannah.
Hi Leo, thank you so much for taking care of us throughout the course of our HLS camp. Sorry if we could be annoying sometimes, but we are very glad to have you as our leader.
Leo, I really appreciate that you take care of us, and I wish you will have a new love in your life.
Bro, that's what I was going to say. I already told you.
Hey.
Wait. Come. Okay.
Hello, Leo. This is from the boys team. We want to say thank you for everything you've done for us, and I hope that you can find a good partner in life.
Also, for me, I hope you will find good friends, and I hope you will be more rich.
Hi Kuya Leo, so sorry that we were so annoying, but we love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita. Yeah.
Hi, Kuya Leo. Sorry for being annoying. Thanks. But yeah, we love you so much.
For me, I want to say thank you for being a very good leader to us. You're very caring, you're very patient to us. I hope that you have a good future and you can pursue your dreams.
Thank you, Leo. Thank you for being our leader. I'm wishing all the best for your graduation and your future career.
Even though that you're annoying as well, but thank you so much for you being our leader.
Hi Leo, thank you care for me. You are so gentleman and so funny. Thank you. Look at the sun.
Hello my tongtongs, this is your Kuya Leo. I just want to say thank you for coming here and spend this week together with me. I'm so glad that we could share these moments, share all the experience together. I just hope that you had a really great time. You met a lot of new friends and made so many memories that you will cherish with you for a long time. Remember that each of you so talented, unique, and loved not just by me, but most importantly by God. To finish this, I would like to ask all the HLS people, say it with me. 3, 2, 1. Tung 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 sa horse!